Hello guys, welcome back to Unreal Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we are in South Wimbledon. I was actually originally going to fly in 2 Inc, but then when I got there, for some reason that place was closed. On Google Maps it said it was going to be open, but in real life it was actually closed, so I literally have to go to a nearby station. And I've already flew in Wimbledon before, but this is a different side of Wimbledon, so I'm also getting a different angle. So what we're doing now, I'm using my Sony camera to get a footage, so it's just to get me footage of taking off. So we're just going to that area, and I'm going to stop recording on the camera now. That was for temporary recording. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a tour of the area. I'm going to turn the camera off now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn back now, and let's just carry on recording with the action camera. I wonder what's better, getting footage like with the DJI camera or with the A6700, which is what I was just using. So yeah, anyway, we're here now. I wanted to fly in Tooting because there's a lot more down there in that area, but now there's no place to go there. Maybe it'll be open some other time, but I'm not sure when, because I don't want to go there again and it'll be closed again. But it will be a different day where I try to go there again. So yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm now going to just zip around. Let's go to this area down here. We'll go to the main area of South Wimbledon. We'll just keep going down. So today we're shooting in 4K 50 FPS. I think 25 FPS looked a bit choppy from our past 2 drone flights. I flew in Hackney and I flew in Wimbledon again. The main part of Wimbledon, not South Wimbledon. So what we're going to do, we're just going to stay here. We're just going to go a bit backwards. Oh flip, I walked a bit back. My drone disconnected for 1 second, but we're in sight though, I don't understand. Oh, I think I went behind a branch of a tree, that's why. There's something really minor, but what we're going to do now, we're just going to get a shot of the main area down here. We'll get a shot of the main road. I think what happened, I turned around for 1 second. That's why it disconnected. But we've got nice autumn colours. It's just a shame that the weather's playing up because it was overcast for a whole week. We had the gloomy weather like this for a whole week. And finally today we just had sunshine. So I thought, let's get out and do a drone flight. I charged my drone up, I got out. But then as I got to Tooting, where I was originally going to fly, and it was already cloudy again. And that's when I found out that place was closed, so that's why, unfortunately, could not fly in that area, so I had to find the area nearby, and it was this area. So that's why it's now a little bit dark, and there's not much to shoot down there, but I'm doing a drone flight regardless, so I wanted to do a drone flight regardless. So we'll just keep going down to this area down there. Get a nice shot. And the wind just picked up a little bit as well. And from tomorrow it's gonna start being windy pretty much every single day. So that's unfortunate. It's gonna be windy quite a lot now. You can see the main part of Wimbledon right there. We'll go nearby that area, but we won't go that close to it. So, yeah, I was gonna fly my drone in a different London borough, which is Wandsworth. Like my drone, I'm trying to fly my drone in every single London borough, and pretty much the whole of Wandsworth has a no flying zone, except for that area which is Tooting, but I could not fly there today So I'm back here in Merton, which is the other borough that I flew the other day when I flew in Wimbledon. Well, we are in Wimbledon basically. It's pretty much a similar area. So we are in this area now. We're gonna get a shot of this buses and this little roundabout. We'll get a reverse shot. We won't go that far, we'll just quickly turn around quickly. We'll come back. I'm not sure where else we can get shots now. I might do a short drone flight if I can't get enough shots. We'll go to pretty much every single side of this area, then we'll land. If I do end up using the whole battery, then I use the whole battery. And I don't know when I'm gonna fly my drone next, because I wanna try and fly it when it's a sunny day. But it's not gonna be sunny for a really long time. It's just gonna be like this, which is quite unfortunate. What we'll do, we'll get a shot of this little area down there. So I'm over the park now. What we'll do, we'll actually go down to this little area down there. Yeah, we'll go down there. So let's get a shot of this little area down there. We'll just keep going down till we get to this area. I mean, you know what? This sunset shot is actually quite sick. That blue hour, it's not that bad, to be honest. We've got another roundabout down here. It's pretty much similar to where we went near Wimbledon. So yeah, seasons are changing, as you can see, the colours. It's nearly autumn. I'm not sure what this area. I think this is near Morden. I was thinking of going to Morden as well, but it was going to get dark and it was further down the line. And there was a bit of a walk, and I didn't want it to get too dark, so I just flew in this area. But I was planning to fly in this area anyway, so that's why I've come here. Get a nice shot of this area. Get a 360-degree tour of this roundabout. So you've got an M&S right there. I just realised the power lines, but we're much higher than it, so we should be good. Let's get a static shot of this area down there. Because from that filming 50 FPS, we don't get flicker. A big plane coming above us. What we're going to do, I'm just going to turn around. Let's get a shot of the area down there. Look at that, it's massive, this area. You can get nice shots right now. So I'm going to get a shot of every side of this recreation ground, which is where I'm flying in. So where else can we go? To be honest, I'm not really sure we can go. We can go down to the other side. What we'll do, we'll go down to this area down there. We might as well use the whole battery while we're here. We'll just keep going down. This is the residential side of Wimbledon. So where else can we get shots of? We'll just check out what's down here. Looks like there's another kind of place down here. I'm sure that is. Looks like another recreation ground. And look at that, there's a little neighbourhood in the far corner, as you can see. So we've got a little neighbourhood that goes around. It looks really interesting. Get a nice aerial shot of this. We'll go around this house. I've done a similar shot like this when I flew in Dagenham in East London. There's a similar neighbourhood like this, but this is different. We'll just do a 360 tour. You know what, let's start heading back now. Because we're a bit low. We're not that low, but I just want to make sure we're in local when the battery's low. There's even an area down there with cranes and all that, which I can't see it from here, so I'm probably not going to go towards that. We'll go to the end of this little recreation ground anyway. So there's a little tennis court down here, as you can see, and there's a train line that runs in this area. We get a nice shot of this little crane down there. Get a nice static shot, and then we'll just head back. I want to get a low down shot of the road. Actually, you know what? Let's try and get a shot of. Let's get a more close shot of the crane. You know what? I think I flew in this area. This is nearby the other recreation ground, which is where I flew in. Yeah, this is it. Look, Wimbledon's down here. I went through this crane. No, I went nearby this crane. Anyway, let's start heading back now. I wanted to get a shot of the road, but we can't do that now because we're quite low on battery. So I'm just going to land it now. I'm going to get some shots from my camera as well. Right, let's land the drone now. Right, we're gonna land the drone. I'm gonna get some shots of me landing it with the camera. Get some nice high quality shots because we got the f1.8 lens now. I'm gonna try and make my controller quiet because beeping. Got a drone right here. Let's get a nice shot with the camera. Don't want to hit myself. Look at that. I'm gonna go close to the camera. Look at that. Don't want to hit the camera though. All right, let's land it now. Ooh, all right. So that was my amazing drone flight here in Wimbledon. Let's get a close shot of my controller, as you can see. So yeah, really nice drone flight, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.